What is that? Elephant. How about the word mouth?
Yeah.
Arms up. Where's the word mouth? There it is. Good job. Yay. And see, it's a mouth? Yes, it's the mouth. How about the word? What is that?
Yeah.
What is it?
That's
How about the word clap? Where's the word clap? Violet. Where's the word clap? Clap your hands. There it is. Good girl. Wow. Where's the word ice? Where's the word ice? Wow. Where's the word ice? Go find for the word ice. What's that? What is it? What's that word? What is that word? Where's the word ice? Where's the word ice? There it is. I found it, Mommy. What's that? Mouth. Good girl. How about this one? What's that word? Ice. Good girl. How about that word? What's this word? This. Baby, look. What is this? What is this?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's a tiger? Where's the word tiger? There it is. Yay! Grr, tiger. Good girl. Yay! Clap your hands. What's that? Arms up. Arms up. How do you put your arms up? Arms up, baby. Arms up. Arms down. Good girl. Okay. Enough now.